Who is your unexpected hero? I've always loved to sing, but I was too shy to do it in public. I never auditioned for any of the musicals at school. Until near the end of my senior year, we were having a talent show. I knew this was going to be my last chance, so I talked myself into signing up. I told my boyfriend, expecting him to be proud, but he said, "Isn't Sydney going to be singing too?" For context, Sydney was a girl in our class who I swear must have been blessed by fairies, because she was so beautiful and so talented. She was the lead in the musical every year and no one was mad about it because she was that good. I told my boyfriend I wasn't trying to compete with Sydney. I just wanted to overcome my fear. He shrugged and said, "Okay, just don't come crying when she beats you." Fast forward to the talent show. Sydney sang before I did and absolutely slayed, as expected. My boyfriend was backstage with me at the time, and he said he really didn't think I should do this as I was going to make a fool of myself. I was already so nervous, and his words really got to me. When I got on stage, I sang 3 words of my song, before I just froze. I couldn't even speak another word, let alone sing. People started laughing. I thought I was going to die. Then all of a sudden someone came out on stage,